Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to delete posts on TikTok account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very into this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your TikTok app. So I'm going to click on here. It's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on your profile. Then the next thing you need to do is to select the post that you want to delete. So I'm going to select this particular post. Then the next thing you want to do is to simply click on these three dots right here. And the next thing you need to do is to swipe this way. And then look for delete. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on delete right here. By the time you refresh the page, the post has been successfully deleted. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to delete posts on your TikTok account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.